Everyone, Google launched Anywhere School with 50 new features. कोरोना महामारी के दौरान गूगल ने बच्चों की पढ़ाई को अधिक सुविधाजनक बनाने के लिए द एनीवेयर स्कूल नामक एक नई पहल को लॉन्च किया। इसमें यूजर्स को 50 नए फीचर की सुविधा मिलेगी। यूजर्स इनका लाभ जी सूट, क्लासरूम एंड गूगल के अन्य प्लेटफॉर्म पर उठा सकते हैं। गूगल ने बताया, हमने ऐसे टूल पर काम किया जिससे पढ़ाई के साथ कई नई चीजें सीख सकते हैं। As millions of students navigate learning from home, Google has announced a new initiative called the Anywhere School, bringing over 50 new features across Meet, Classroom, G Suite, and other products to hundreds of thousands of viewers in more than 250 countries. In September, the video calling app Google Meet will have a larger tiled view of up to 49 people and an integrated Jamboard whiteboard for collaborations. The company said in a statement on Tuesday that it will also release new controls so moderators can choose to always join first and meetings for all participants, disable in meeting chat, and much more. In October, Google will launch custom and blurred backgrounds in Meet to provide some extra privacy. Breakouts, rooms, and attendance tracking will also be launching for all Google Enterprises for Education customers, allowing for more engaged classes and insights on participation, said Avanisa, VP of Education at Google's. Later this year, the company would roll out hand raisings for all customers and quality and assurance and pollings for G Suite's Enterprises for Education customers. Plus, we will launch a new temporary recording feature which will be available to all education customers for free. Premium recording will be still be part of G Suite Enterprise for Education, SA informed. With more teachers around the world using the free Google Classroom web service for school more than ever before, the company said a new to-do widget on the class pages will help students see what's coming up, what's missing, and what's have been doing. Classroom will soon be available in 10 additional languages for 54 languages in totals. And teachers can now share a link to invite students to their class, which makes joining a class much easier. With G Suite Enterprises for Education, educators will be able to see matches for potential plagiarisms and not only against web pages but between student submission at their schools. Google has introduced a new product for non-classroom users called Assignments, an application for the learning management systems that gives the educator a faster, simpler way to distribute, analyze, and grade student work. This time-saving application helps educators automatically create and distribute personalized copies of classwork to each student. Google Drive folder quickly provide feedback and keep grading consistent and transparent with originally reports. Google recently launched Smart Compose and autocorrect in Docs for educators and students to help them compose high-quality content faster by cutting back on repetitive writings while reducing the chance of spelling and grammatical errors. By the end of this month, admins will be able to disable both Smart Compose and autocorrect if they choose. Soon we are also launching citations so students can format and manage their sources directly in Docs at Google. Google has also created the Tech Toolkit for families and guardians, which helps parents better understand the technology that their kids use in the classrooms.